Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Now, Dolly Khanna's name has shown up as holding 0.69% stake in a microcap writing and printing products company as per the company's latest annual report. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company's name is Shreyans Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 177.35 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is SHREYANIND. Now, Chennai-based investor Dolly Khanna is holding 0.69% stake in the company as per the company's latest annual report. The annual report of the company, which manufactures writing and printing paper, showed that Khanna was holding 95,767 shares as of March 2018 against 10,643 shares as of March 31, 2017. Khanna was last spotted in Shreyans in September 2017 when she was holding over 1% stake in the company. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart, you would see that this company has not really done much and has not really been a wealth creator. The market cap of the company is 245.18 crores, which is closer to that of a microcap one. The EPS of 24.25 translates into a very reasonable price to earnings ratio of 7.31 when compared with the industry PE of 14.80. The company's price to book ratio of 1.59 is also reasonable. The promoter holding is just about average at 47.26, whereas the dividend yield here is 1.01%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.